Morning everyone, nandito tayo ngayon sa Silang, Cavite to feature this farmhouse for sale. But before we start, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. You can message us on Facebook and Instagram by simply clicking the link below on the description box. My name is Ray and let's begin this practical house tour.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel
Alright, so thank you so much for always tuning in our channel. So by the way, my name is Ray at nandito tayo ngayon sa Silang, Cavite to feature this farmhouse for sale. Anyway, so this property with the total land area of 9,400 plus square meters. This is almost 1 hectare property and they are selling this property in the market for 15 million pesos. Guys, amazing, right? So if you're interested to buy and check out this properties, you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. Anyway, so before the buying process, this is the driveway nitong property na ito. So ito is sa paloob. This is a secondary lot pero meron siyang right of way. And ito yung pinaka property. So this property is tax deck. The seller is alive. So the seller is 83 years old. At ito is willing na siya to sell out this property kasi napakalaki daw at mahirap mag-maintain ng ganito kalaking property. So, but the good thing is this is cheaper. This is more cheaper. Although this is tax deck pero mayroon na po itong approved plan at ready for titling na to. So, meron na rin po itong galing sa Pendro. So, kompleto na siya. So, ready for title. So, if you are interested to check out and buy this property, this is a 9,400 plus square meters. But before the buying process, guys, we will check out the house. May kasama ka pang bahay. Okay? Parang giveaway na yung pinaka-house dito.
shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away.
Okay? So, follow me. And ito ba, napakadaming mga halaman at may sasakyan. Okay. Alright. So, mayroon kang sasakyan at marami silang mga bisita. At eto na nga. So, this is the property. So, if you are interested to check out and buy this property, so you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. So, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat. Gracias amigo all over the globe. Thank you very much and God bless everybody.